This is Bengtsonga in essay with Semso Mabasana.
Fumani and Shuluvana, Pinjani, Perile, Shikani, Kwasang.
Yes. And the one when I saw he was like, he knows Tsonga. And I went back home. Remember going back home, even Zala, my husband Koko, there's this guy that knows Tsonga, so like it feels like he's a professor of Tsonga. I think that came by man.
Yes, I mean, I don't answer next to him actually. But to me, honestly, because everyone had names. This is gonna play this character. I'm thinking Gulaba.
No, I'm intimidated.
Even when the SABC crew came, it once came and then we had to do a tour of the studio. They didn't pay attention to me. Yeah, and that tour is there, that's but until he's there upstairs and then we sat down, they're like, oh, it's Sembiso. Right. Then the girls were like, oh, hi.
I was like, look at these ones.
Satan. I'm not going to gang. So there it comes, okay, I got the juice. Boom, again. Everyone. And I thought before that, how did you manage to trick us into becoming a villain, Marco?
No, with me.
Yeah.
Was that the other writer, Kelton, was so pissed off?
With what?
Because we had a big debate about, hey, Rich. We're like, what the fuck is... Oh, I'm not sure whether I can say, but it's fine. It's our platform. So it's like, Mena, logo, and I was like, yo, I know this dude, Sonia Mzelanjan, I don't like this thing. Yes, I was like, yes, the man. But it's like, I know, it will work out. People will get used to it after some time. Captain is like, no, man. Then logo switcher, and you became the villain. Now it's like, we're busy writing a clown.
So what's happening?
I said,
so here's what happened.
Yeah.
Cousin Nyansa Tome,
yeah.
had cousin brother, because I was going out here.
Yeah.
He passed away. So that's how he spoke.
Yeah.
So I went to Zolani Zolani. There's a guy that speaks like this.
Yeah.
That I want to speak to because we knew Kuri, this guy was going to be mayor one day. With Chin.
Yeah.
And then because we know Kuri, he's in my head. When I read the script, I don't want a guy who's playing the Mudaus, but not trying to play, not
deliberately
showing he's playing them. So that was the first idea. And Zolani said, you know what? Let's do it. Me and Zolani, probably even the cast and the crew, we knew the first week on set it will work. Why? Because the whole crew were talking like I was talking.
We
knew that week.
It kicked in logo nitwa mana mina ba kwa Rich naloko that line yo emahungu akamiri. I was like okay.
No, we knew with Zolani, we agreed with it. Dude, we're going with it.
Yeah.
But the first week of shoot, it will work. We knew when the crew was trying to speak like me. I'm like,
I think it started during reading. Already second day of reading, third day, I saw to put it in. Yeah, so I think that's why everyone is now comfortable with it.
They were supposed to write me out. This,
yeah,
I was supposed to die.
No, it was written on. It was actually on the script.
I know. Remember
when we
storylined it.
When we storylined it, I finished the man.
Yeah.